Good evening. Welcome back again to Betty's Kitchen. In this episode, we'll be trying to prepare okra soup. Okra. We all know okra. Okra is a very healthy kind of vegetable to eat. So we are going to try and combine some meat and all those things together to cook okra soup. So in this place we have right here what we go into this okra. It's a special sauce here. This is in this combination of sauce. You have a pepper, onions, and dry fish that I don't like wasting food. So instead of throwing away the head of my smoked fish, I blend it as a base for my okra soup to give it a good taste. So I don't throw away food. Here you have chicken. This is already cooked chicken. Here you have cow leg. It's already cooked. And here you have the crayfish, the Maggi cube, and the red oil that will go into the soup. And here you have the smoked turkey and salt to taste. And normally when I cook okra soup, I still add spinach vegetable to it to make it very rich. Yeah, I will tell you it's one of the simplest food to cook if you put all your items together, and one of the cheapest food soup to cook. You can just use only fish to cook it, only smoked fish to cook it, anything, just simple. It just depends how rich you want it to be. That's how you cook it. But this is just a step-by-step method in cooking it. Here you have at least about a pound of chicken, a pound of cow leg. That's 1 pound of spinach. That's like half cup of crayfish, 5 Maggi cube, half cup of oil. And this is the sauce. It contains 1 small onions, 3 atarodo, the rounded pepper, and other ingredients. And this is like a 1.5 pound of smoked turkey, and this is a 3 pound of okra. I cook a lot because my kids, they like okra, so I always have to have it in the house for them. So in this we're going to combine it. In this pot we have the water. At least you have about I would say about 2 quarts of water. But everything has to do, when you are cooking it, you can't say if you have enough water or not. So I can't really give you exactly how much water that I will finally add to it. So you're going to put it on the stove. And now, in this pot, you're going to add the chicken. You add the chicken. You add the cow leg. Add all this meat in here. See, it's coming up. Just add all the meat. Add all the meat in here. So this is really make it very rich. And like here now, I think I have enough meat in the soup. I don't want too much meat because I need my soup. Then here we add the sauce. This is the main sauce, the main ingredients for this. We have pepper, onions in it. Everything's in here. Then you add the oil, half cup of oil. Have the oil. You have the crayfish. Actually, Maggi cube come later. So what happens now? You allow these ingredients to boil together. After they boil together, you now add after they boil together, you will now add the okra. Then give it a few 5 minutes. Then you now add the spinach. So that's what really comes out of okra. So this one will allow it to boil. When it boils and everything comes blend together, then we add the okra, the Maggi cube, the salt to taste, then the spinach. It all comes together. So cooking okra soup is a very fine delicacy and very easy to cook. Thank you for watching us again. We'll bring you another episode of how to cook egusi soup and other kind of food that we cook on a daily basis. Thank you for watching. We'll see you sometime again. You have a good day. Thank you.